Hi guys, in this video we are going to be baking up a storm with these gigantic treats that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Get ready to indulge in the most scrumptious big jumbo red velvet muffins you have ever laid eyes on. And the best part, we are going to be making our cupcake liners from scratch. We are going to be making parchment paper cupcake liners. Before we begin, I don't have any cupcake liners, so I am going to make DIY cupcake liners from scratch. I have one 6 by 6 piece of parchment paper, 6 inches by 6 inches, and we are going to fold it over this way, and then we're going to fold it again. And this is an easy way how to make your cupcake liners at home if you have parchment paper, and you can save money without buying them. So we're going to be using the guideline, and we are going to cut it 2 inches down on each side. And you could just use your eye to do the 2 inches down on the guideline. Beautiful. We are not going to put it in the pan like this with the sides up. We are going to flip it the opposite way with the sides down. I've already done 5, and you want to press your finger in the center and raise the edges so that they overlap each other. These are very expensive, and it's good to make them right at home. And there you have some beautiful cupcake liners, and you just saved a few bucks. So let's make our batter. As seen in the title, today we are going to make some jumbo beautiful red velvet muffins. We are going to start off by sifting our dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour. Baking soda, which is totally necessary. Salt. And we are going to sift this nice, light, and airy. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Red velvet cakes are made up of cocoa powder, vanilla, and that's the flavor, and the red is just the color. We are going to set this aside. The other crucial part is using the buttermilk. Buttermilk adds that nice tangy flavor to muffins, and we are going with 2 teaspoons of dark vanilla. You can substitute the buttermilk for vinegar and milk, and I will leave that in the description box. You can check that out. We are going to add just a little bit of oil, 2 tablespoons, and this is going to give our cake really nice moisture. We are going to add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, and this is to activate the baking powder. It gives us nice lightness. We are also adding 1 egg, which will help allow our cake to rise, and we are adding 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. So let's whisk this, and this is where I like to add my red food coloring. This food coloring is by McCall's, and I'm just going to put about 1 teaspoon. The cocoa powder is going to darken this, and this food coloring is not bitter because this is a McCall's No Taste Red. Combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. And finally, we're going to add 1/4 cup of softened and melted butter. And we're going to mix this on low speed. Just for about 2 minutes, or until all the dry ingredients have been soaked up. And this is about good. We're just going to scoop everything down from the sides. And we have a beautiful mixture. Let's add this to our muffin tin. We are adding 1 scoop of butter at a time into each liner. And because these are big, I'm going to add 1.5, but I'm starting off with 1 first. You can use a measuring cup, a quarter cup, and do this as well. Now we can add 2 scoops per liner. We are baking these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 28 minutes. After 28 minutes, this is what they look like. Let's break into one. How easy was this recipe? It's as simple as a wet mixture and a dry mixture to get the perfect moist, soft red velvet muffins. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up or subscribe, share. Help me to grow the channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.